I have an opportunity to visit Bogor City for a long weekend. We visited Bogor Botanical Garden, which is in the center of the Bogor City. I love to see the morning scenery with the green field full with tree. From the distance, I can see the Bogor Palace, which is usually for the presidential place. The place surrounding by the beautiful plants and lakelet. I just can't stop observing the greenery objects in bamboo. The red path that we followed brought us to the heart of the garden and more beautiful forest tree. We stopped by in a small shop within the garden and ordered fried bananas and mineral water to fill up the energy. The place is very homey, surrounded by forest tree, which make it more like in the real wild forest. There is a river across the center of this botanical garden which I like to see from above the bridge. We purposely stopped to view the forest beauty in some area which we think has the beautiful scenery. We moved to a cafe which is located on the higher elevation in the garden. This cafe has a lot of state for its decoration from medieval age. The cafe is still closed unfortunately, so I cannot taste the food there. We also visit Whole Lemongrass for the lunch. You will not miss it using the maps and very easy to find. It serves variety of seafood and vegetables. The place is located in the heart of Bogor City. The best place to relax because it always feels like in a cozy spot. They use mostly wood for its decoration and bring it closer to the earth, as if we are in the middle of nowhere. Mayonnaise sauce shrimp is very good served in beautiful shape, and also green beans and dory fish. I'm also surprised that the place is quite big and large. There's a place deeper inside where it can serve a lot of more customers. On the way home, we visited grilled macaroni, a special way to serve macaroni and not like other macaroni which is not served with grilled one. Places also bring us closer to the earth, as if you eat in the jungle with plants and trees among us. You can order the waiter through traditional bell, a perfect way to escape from crowded city and daily activities. I ordered grilled macaroni and look how beautiful it is. I can feel the taste while I slice the grilled macaroni piece by piece. I should come back to this place again once I have another opportunity to go to Bogor City again.